Are you a writer that feels stuck? Do your ideas get trapped, and getting them onto a page is like climbing a mountain? I totally get it. We have all been there. Staring at a blank page, trying to come up with a perfect plot, a gripping character, or even a simple outline for your next big idea is frustrating. You pour your heart into your writing, but sometimes it feels overwhelming and slow. You tried other computer writing tools only to find them complicated. What if there was a tool made just for you, a writer? I am here to tell you about a tool that understands what it takes to create a compelling story or a powerful nonfiction book. Meet QuickWrite. It is like having an intelligent assistant sitting right next to you, ready to help your creativity and make writing fun again. QuickWrite is truly special because it is one of the first computer writing tools specifically designed for both fiction and nonfiction writers. One thing that makes QuickWrite exceptional is that this writing tool is created by writers who know the challenges you face as an author. If you write stories, you will get instant plot ideas, rich character descriptions, and it helps you build entire worlds, all without endless brainstorming sessions. If you write nonfiction, you can instantly generate book outlines, chapter ideas, catchy titles, and even full blog posts. You will not have to guess what to write next. The best part? It has built-in ideas and simple prompts, so you do not need to be a tech wizard to use it. You just tell it what you need, and QuickWrite helps you bring your vision to life faster. Here is another best part. Unlike other writing programs that have monthly fees, by adding QuickWrite to your toolbox, you pay once and you own it for life. That comes with free updates and functionality upgrades. This is not about replacing your talent as an author. It is about strengthening your skills and producing faster. QuickWrite helps you cut through the hard parts, the staring, the struggling, the endless research. It helps you quickly get your ideas flowing and build out your structure. Then, you come in to make it shine with your unique voice and stories. As an author, QuickWrite always reminds me of something I might have missed, were it not for the outline tool. This tool alone gave my writing the detail and clarity that readers want. You are valuable, and your ideas deserve to be shared without unnecessary roadblocks. You deserve a smoother, more enjoyable writing journey. Forget those generic tools with boring content, or make writing too slow. QuickWrite meets the specific needs of writers, helping you create content that is engaging and relevant. It helps you save time, so you can focus more on the creative parts you love most. Now, I know I have said this before, yet I repeat it here again because it is important. Most writing tools demand monthly fees, and they add up fast. Right now, you have a rare chance to get lifetime access to QuickWrite. That means unlimited books, unlimited blog posts, unlimited creative support, for a one-time price that is incredibly low. It is a chance to invest in your writing future without the constant monthly drain. Do not let this opportunity slip away. If you are ready to transform your writing process, get unstuck, and bring your stories and ideas to the world faster with less stress, then this is for you. I have included the link to QuickWrite in the description for you. Click the link to see the many valuable benefits and secure your lifetime access to QuickWrite. Start writing the future you have always dreamed of today. Your message matters, and QuickWrite is here to help you deliver it.